What you can see here is a 3D printed miniature marquee with a chase light effect. It is using just mechanical parts and a standard N20 motor. No microcontroller, no shift registers, and no adjustable LEDs are needed. Originally, it was made for the Hackaday Berlin badge competition of 2025, being compatible with the Shitty add-on standard. To learn how it works, let's look at this prototype I made. Two simple masks are moving in a way similar to the linkage of a steam locomotive. Since these masks are offset by half a rotation, we can use the overlapping of the two sets to our advantage in simulating a continuous motion. By choosing the right window through which light can shine through, it appears as if the masked off patches of light are continuously moving in one direction. Both masks have to be moved using eccentric cams, being anchored on two positions. In the final 3D print, a central drive gear from the motor transfers the rotation to the four drive gears. The masks have large cutouts, so there is no collision for the mounting hardware or the cam gears of the other mask. I uploaded the design on my Printables page, see the description for details.